Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Vision Media DIY. Today we're going to be making lazy French toast. So let's start off with what you're going to need. You're going to need your air fryer or any type of conventional easy bake oven. You're going to need a whisk. You're going to need a pair of tongs, a knife, fruit of your choice, your favorite bread, 2 eggs just depending on how many you're making. I'm making 2. You're going to need some spray oil, you're going to need syrup, seasonings of your choice, and you're going to need a mixing bowl. So let's hop right into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start making my mix for the French toast. So I'm going to start off with those 2 eggs, and I'm not going to lie, cracking eggs on camera is not my skill set. So as you can see in this next frame here, I'm cleaning up the mess I made from cracking those eggs on screen. So I'm just gonna save the embarrassment and just start pre-mixing it up to add the seasonings of my choice. I'm gonna start off with the vanilla extract, just 2 dollops, probably about 1 tablespoon. Then I'm gonna go ahead and with the nutmeg, heavy on the nutmeg, ground cinnamon. I'm gonna go in with some sea salt, and I'm gonna go in with some pepper. Now all of the rest of the seasonings was about like probably a teaspoon, depending on how much seasoning you want in there. Then I'm gonna mix all those ingredients up with my whisk there. I don't know if it's whisk or wisp, but I'm using it. Okay, then we're gonna clean our area again to prep for the next thing we're gonna do. I'm gonna choose this bread here from HEB. It's a whole grain bread. I'm gonna get 2, making 2 pieces of the lazy French toast. And I'm very sorry, I lost some footage. I lost a lot of footage actually, so here's me fast forwarding to when I put the toast together. This is when they are completely done here. I added the fruit. Now as you can see in the middle, I put the French toast mix in the middle, which considers it to be lazy French toast. I'm not dipping it in the egg. I'm making a hole in the center of the bread to put the mix inside, and I'm air frying it to conceal and cook the egg. I'm very sorry for losing that footage. I also lost the footage of me putting the fruit, cutting the fruit, putting the fruit inside, but this is me fast forwarding to the very, very end. Like I said, this is very unfortunate. I don't even know how I lost the footage. One day I'm filming, have all the footage. Next day I'm editing, and the videos are nowhere to be found. But other than that, the toast looks pretty good there. Like I said, in the center, what you're going to do to the bread is just mash a big hole with a spoon in the middle. Just mash a hole, and you're going to fill up that hole with the egg. And that's going to make your lazy French toast. I picked the toppings of powdered sugar and syrup, Mrs. Butterworth's. Gonna spread it on there, and that looks so delicious. That's my favorite thing to eat in the morning when I'm on the go. I don't have time to get my hands completely dirty, so I feel like this is a good way to eat breakfast really quick and enjoy. And who knew the air fryer would be a toaster? That's just mind-boggling to me. So here we go at the very end. Like I said, I'm very sorry for losing that footage, but this is the final product, and I hope you guys come back to see a video completed with all the footage by me. All right, thank you guys. See you next time.